How to hide apps on an iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your apps on your iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. So the normal way to basically hide an app from your homepage is just to simply press and hold a certain app and click on remove app right here, and you can click on remove from home screen. So you can do that to any of the app you want, and that will remove it from the home screen. However, this way will still show the application at the app library. So there are actually multiple tricks to hide apps on your iPhone, but I'm just going to show you one. So first, let's just head on to settings right here and click on screen time. So the first thing that you're going to make sure is that you should have a screen time passcode. So if you don't have one yet, just click on that and set up your passcode. Once you have set your screen time passcode, let's just head on to content and privacy restrictions right here and toggle this on. Enter your passcode and click on content restrictions. And let's focus on this option right here that says apps. And this is basically, this is where you can control the apps to be shown on your iPhone. So, for example, if you want to hide a certain social media app, you can set it to 4+ to 9+. That means the age of the certain user. So most social media apps have age restrictions, so if you set it to 9+ or 4+, that will hide the apps. For example, I'm going to set it at 4+ age, and that will hide the social media apps that I have. So Instagram is not here, Twitter, and is also not within the library, as you can see. So again, if you show allow all apps, that will just take back the apps to the homepage. So TikTok is here, Twitter, and the other apps that were hidden. So if you want to hide all the apps, you can also click on don't allow apps right here. And take note that this option will scramble your homepage once you click on this allow all apps again. So if you don't want that, you can not set it at that option. So that basically hid almost all of the apps, even in the app library. So that is how you can hide apps on an iPhone. So again, if you want to take it all back, just click on allow all apps, and all the apps will be back to your homepage and app library. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.